Screen time lets you track how much time you spend on your iPhone 17, including which apps and websites you use the most. If you already enabled screen time during setup, the next important step is locking those settings so they can't be changed without permission. You can do this by setting a screen time passcode. Here's how it's done. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Screen Time. Under the Restrictions section, tap Lock Screen Time Settings. When prompted, enter a 4-digit passcode, then re-enter it to confirm. You may be asked to sign in to your Apple account for account recovery purposes, just in case you forget your screen time passcode in the future. Enter your Apple ID details to continue, or tap Skip if you prefer not to. If you're setting a screen time passcode for a child's device, you'll need to set up family sharing and screen time for that device first. Once the passcode is set, you can change or remove it anytime by returning to the same screen time menu. Just ready your existing 4-digit passcode, as you will be asked to enter it to proceed to updating or removing the current passcode. Just keep in mind that the screen time passcode is different from your iPhone's lock screen passcode, so make sure to remember it to avoid needing a reset later. And that's it. If this helped you secure your screen time settings on iPhone 17, give it a like, and check out our other videos to learn more useful tips and features. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this.